Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Ave. In today's video, I will be showing you all the specs and details and what I did to achieve this look with this wig, with this hair, with this lace frontal, okay, from My First Wig. I'm going to show you from start to finish, like my whole process of what I did to achieve this color, to achieve this look. So if you're interested in all the details, just keep on watching, okay? And before we even get started on this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to me already. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video here on my channel. And let's get started. So like I said before, I got my wig from My First Wig. I feel like this wig is a very beginner friendly wig because for me, this was my first official time putting on a lace wig, and you guys, we struggled out here, okay? On YouTube, they make it look very easy. It's not easy. So the name of this unit is Dominique, Kinky Straight Human Hair Lace. So it does come with the lace attached to it and everything like that. It does have that kinky texture as if you just got a fresh perm, okay? We are natural over here, but it's cool to look like we got a whole fresh perm, okay? I really love the texture. It looks very natural. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Absolutely love it. So I did purchase this wig during like Christmas time when they had like sales for Black Friday, sales for Christmas time, and I bought this wig for $255. Original price on the website is $245. But if you get different things, like if you want to change the length of the wig, then the price is going to vary. It's going to fluctuate. So, but in total, I ended up paying $255. I did get the 16-inch. It naturally comes in a 14-inch, but you can change it to the 16-inch. Now, I did get the 16-inch only because I've been rocking short hair for a while and I wanted something just a little bit longer, nothing too crazy. I wanted to invest in a everyday wig, and this was it. The cap construction, it has a 6-inch deep part line lace, and y'all, I could literally come right here, do a middle part. Well, that's not a middle part. Could do a middle part right here, as you can see. If I want to, I could wear the hair back. So I just want to show you what all the hair can do or whatever. It did come in a natural color, but I did go ahead and dye it a different color, and I'm going to show you that process within this video. Be sure to size up on the wig, or be sure to measure your head. Reason being, I went ahead and I got the 21.5 inches to 22-inch wig, like that's the circumference of your head, and it was too small for me. I literally had to make my mom put it on her head. I'm not shading you, Mom. I'm sorry. But I had to have her put the wig on her head to stretch it out a little bit for me for it to actually fit. And I feel like I naturally have a small head, but it did come small. So make sure you size your head, or like get the circumference size of your head first before picking and choosing which cap size that you need for the wig. The wig also came with a free wig kit. In the inside of the wig kit, it came with a comb, instructions on how to apply the wig. That's why this wig is like very beginner friendly. Like they tell you step by step how to do everything. It comes with 2 hair clips. It comes with bobby pins if you need to bobby pin the hair in any position that you want. If I missed anything else that it came with, I am going to show you in the video anyways, so I apologize. I will say that I absolutely love this wig. I love the kinkiness. It doesn't shed at all. It only shedded when I was cutting the lace off. That's the only time it shedded for me. It didn't shed when I dyed the hair or anything like that. So just letting you guys know about this hair. I feel like it's going to have a long lifespan with me. I haven't come up with a name for her yet, so leave in the comment section below what I should name her. That is it for the specs. So enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. So here I'm just showing you the construction of the wig. Here is the lace. And then on the inside, you have the wig combs. You have 2 wig combs on the top. You also have a band, which is adjustable, which I think is pretty cool. It reminds me of a bra strap. And then you also have another comb at the nape of the neck. And then on both sides of the wig, you also have adjustable straps to make the wig more secure. And then you want to be sure to cut off that lace at the nape of the neck as well. So like I mentioned before in the beginning of the video, there's a wig kit that the wig comes with. And inside the wig kit, you get instructions on how to apply the wig on your head and also how to use the wig stand to protect your wigs. Comes with a rat tail comb. You also get 2 hair clips to remove the hair out of your face when applying the wig. You also get bobby pins and a conditioner to rinse out or to condition your hair before applying it. And then you also get a wig stand for your wig. I think that's pretty cool. So the first thing you want to do is get a pot with water in it, and then you're going to go ahead and boil that pot of water. Once the water is bubbling, you want to remove the pot from the hot stove top and allow the water to cool down for at least 15 to 30 minutes. And then once you have allowed your water to cool, you're going to go ahead and apply the color to the water. I'm using the Adore 118 Off Black dye. And then once you have allowed your water to cool, you're going to go ahead and apply the color to the water. Also, don't be like me, guys. Make sure you wear gloves because you don't want the dye to get all over your nails and to stain them. This dye does stain a little bit because it is a semi-permanent dye. So just a heads up, you definitely want to wear gloves. Don't be like me, y'all. Here I'm just going in with the second bottle of dye that I have, and I only used about half of the bottle. You want to go ahead and mix the dye in the pot so that all of the dye that hit the bottom of the pot is well mixed. And now I'm going to go ahead and immerse the hair into the water, and you want to basically make sure you get all the hair, get the whole wig up in there, okay? You want to let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Some people do it for 15 minutes. It depends on the hair color that you're trying to achieve, but I really wanted the hair to be dark, so I kind of left it in the water for about 30 minutes. Here I'm just rinsing out the excess of water in the hair. You want to make sure you get all of the dye out of the hair. And just to do this and to also make sure that we lock in the color, I'm going in with some conditioner. I did not use the conditioner that the hair came with because honestly I completely forgot that it came with the conditioner. So I just went in with my Suave avocado and olive oil conditioner, and I just put that onto the hair, and I'm just spreading it onto the hair. And then you want to make sure you rinse out everything nice and thoroughly. Okay guys, so I just came here on camera just to show you guys what my hair looks like now after I colored it and everything, and what it looks like after it's air dried. It gives you that effect of like you have perm in your hair and you just washed your hair out or whatever, and it became this big fluffiness. Okay, I also attempted to bleach the knots and it did not work out, because like in the front area here you can kind of see like a brassy color or whatever, but nothing a little bit of makeup or mascara can't fix, so I'm not, you know, I didn't lose. All hope is not lost. There we go, all hope is not lost. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig on camera for you guys, which might be a sight to see. It might be hilarious, I'm not really sure, because this is my first time doing it on camera, so I'm actually pretty nervous, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna do it. We gotta try new things in 2020, right? That's what we're doing, right? Okay, this is what we're doing. To straighten the unit, I'm using the Chi 44 Iron Guard Heat Protectant Spray. And then I'm also using a straightener. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not sure what the name of my straightener is, so sorry. I'm also using a rat tail comb, and I will be doing the chase method with the rat tail comb and the straightener. And I'm going to do this process throughout the whole head. Then when I get to the front, just to basically the front to lay as flat as possible, I'm using my curling iron just to go ahead and flatten the area out. I don't have a hot comb, so you gotta use what you got, right? And this is what I have, so this is what I'm using. So here I am finally applying the wig to my head. I did try to create a widow's peak because I actually do have a widow's peak. And if I don't create a widow's peak for myself, it's going to look like I'm wearing a helmet on my head. So I did try to finesse that. I'm not really sure how I did, but it came out okay. Right now I'm just securing the wig and making sure I know the placement of where I want to put the wig. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Got to Be Freeze spray and spray it in the areas where I want the lace to lay. Here I was thinking that I was a professional, and I went ahead and beat my face first before I applied the Got to Be glue spray, and I'm probably never going to do that again. I'm probably going to do my hair first before I put on makeup, just because it was so challenging. I did go ahead and wipe off the makeup that was in the area where my edges are with alcohol, just to make sure that the wig was going to stick to the Got to Be Freeze spray. To make sure that we are melting the lace, I did use the rat tail comb to press down the lace into the glue, well, into the freeze spray. And I'm just going to do that throughout all the sections of my hair. I am going section by section. I don't know if you guys noticed that, just because honestly, one, I was nervous, and two, this is my first time trying this. So I was like, Lord, let this come together, okay? Now I'm going in and cutting in the lace with my hair shears, and I am cutting in like a, I don't want to say zigzag, but not in a straight motion. I'm giving the lace a little bit of texture so that it could look as natural as possible once the lace is fully cut off. I also want to let y'all know that I did leave some of my own edges out just because I have a low hairline and I didn't want to have like a 2 head or a 3 head. We wanted to have a regular 4 head, okay? We had to leave a little bit of baby hairs out. Before filming, I did go ahead and cut off my ear tab section. So just wanted to make you guys aware. I didn't do it here on camera for you guys. I did it off camera just so I can get it precise. Here I'm using the L'Oreal True Match powder to go ahead and color the lace a little bit, make it look more seamless, and also color in my part as well to make it look like it's growing out of my scalp. And I am also going to go in and fix my makeup because we was looking a little rusty and dusty because me and the Got to Be Free spray were not friends, okay? Okay, let me start this again because child, I am messing up like crazy. Whew. Yeah, that was a struggle, okay? That was a struggle. But we here. How long was it like that? So, first things first, I'm the realest. I'm just kidding. No, but I am the realest. Okay, oh my God. I'm so pissed. Like, how many takes are we gonna do? Y'all, this was a freaking process. I commend everybody who puts on lace front wig because I struggled. Y'all understand me? Struggled. But we here. We did it. We here.